Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make stuffed bell peppers. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. The ingredients to make bell peppers we require 5 bell peppers of different 3 colors, 4 boiled potatoes, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon dry mango powder, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala, coriander leaves fine chopped, pieces of cashew nut, fine cut green chilies, oil, salt to taste, grated processed cheese. Like this, we shall deseed all the bell peppers. Next, we will mash the potatoes in a bowl. Now, we will add salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala, dry mango powder, green chilies, cashew nuts and coriander leaves, and will mix well. This stuffing is ready. Now we will fill the stuffing in bell peppers. Like this we shall prepare all the bell peppers. All bell peppers are stuffed and ready. Now let's grill it. For that we will put 2 tablespoons of oil in heavy bottom pan. Now we will put stuffed bell peppers one by one and cook it till it turns nice golden brown. One side is cooked well. Now we will change the side till it is cooked. It is cooked well. Now we will spread grated cheese along with the cashew nuts and we will cover and cook it for 2 minutes. Yummy stuffed bell peppers are ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have already not subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it, share it, and the link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more tasty, interesting and delicious recipes. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.